Hey everybody, welcome to the TT Buzzard channel. Today I'm taking care of a project I should have taken care of a long time ago. But anyways, let's get started. So yeah, I got a project going on here. I'm gonna get to the lumber yard. There's a no sales tax thing going on here in Ohio, so I'm gonna get some lumber and some hardware, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So somebody complained about people using tarps as fences, and I'm not exactly sure if they were talking about me or not, or somebody else. But anyways, I feel like I'm in the wrong here, and I feel they're right. So we're just gonna go ahead and remove this and start over with something new. But you know, the whole reason behind this tarp, well, they were 99 cents a piece when I put them up. They provided a windbreak, and you know, cooking at home, being outside grilling, it just was a cheap option, and it worked for a lot of years. But I could see why somebody would kind of get mad at this and think it could lower their property value. So you know, no big deal. It's time to upgrade this anyways, and I'm just gonna, you know, do what I do here with something. It'll be another cheap route I go, and I'll show you what I have in mind. But anyways, it's hot. It's about 95 out here and cooking. All right, I'm set up here. These are just some fence boards, and they're like $3 a piece. It's gonna save me money as well as time. I'm gonna lay these horizontally. Vertically, I'd had to buy a lot more boards at $3 a board. No thanks. Even though I'm not sure the complaint was about me, I looked around. I couldn't really find anybody that had tarps as a fence. But anyways, I thought I'd, you know, just change it anyways. But anyways, I got set up here. This is a new saw. Got my saw horses here. I think I got all the tools I'll need. Guess I need a hammer. That would help. And probably some nails. And I'm leaning toward toasting these boards. Two cool cats just chilling up in here. I think there's a saying, something about it's better to be lucky than good, and I just happen to have this board. I gotta trim it a little bit, but it fits in there really snug. Well, I have to rip any pores. It's gonna be nice and even. However, the other side, we'll see how that goes, but pretty happy here. So I'll just toast that real quick and cut it, and we'll have this side done. Whoa, this heat is really getting to me. I'm not sure if I'll get this finished today, but we'll see. Hey, Prince. Did you come to investigate? Making sure everything's kosher around here, huh? All complete. They got a little ambitious and used the scraps and did this little edge on the left. Work in progress, but you know, $83 later, I think it was a huge upgrade. All right, Hardware Central here. Where I got all my screws and nuts and bolts and nails and all that kind of stuff. So I need a star tip. I don't need very long screws. And these are small. Well, I think those will work. Yep, that'll work. Wrapping this up here. I'm gonna throw some stain on here soon, hopefully. I gotta say I was in the wrong here, but I gotta tell you what, I'm glad this came up and glad I fixed the problem. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Take care. See you on the next video.